Hi there. My name is Frank Chacon. I am a student, senior at Doane Lincoln campus, and this is my 10th attempt at this. Come to find out, my first attempt that I did Monday night, my microphone wasn't working right, even though my tests showed everything worked. Finally switched out cameras, and hopefully this one works. Again, my name is Frank. I'm a senior at Doane Lincoln. I am currently taking 4 courses and going for a computer systems management bachelor's degree. I'm also a Doane employee. I work on the Creek campus in the technology field. So if you do have any trouble with your courses, I might be one of the ones on our team that may be helping you. We can be reached at helpdesk@doane.edu or click the help desk link on your courses. As you can see here, I do have 4 courses: information retrieval skills, introduction to research, systems analysis design, and business 101. 3 of them are online, 1's in person. I am 48. I've been with Doane for 7 years. Just celebrated my anniversary this past July. I am married. Between my wife and I, we are a blended family. We have 5 kids. One picture. And here's our family here. The ones in the background, Angel, Vanessa, and Francisco are significant others. Jill, Armando, my son, Frankie, daughter Vanessa. So we have 2 Vanessas in our family, all our kids. This one, he works with me as a student worker in Doane for our help desk. You may be speaking to him from time to time. This is my wife, Carmen, right here. This is when our trip to Arizona, actually California, we went to Knott's Berry Farm, took the kids. Wanted to take all the grandbabies, but this one was the only one available. And here's a picture of our grandkids. Cheyenne, Nicholas, both 7. They're just a few months apart. Isabel, she just turned 4. And our youngest, Niklaus, who is, if you watch the originals, that's where his parents got his name. You don't want to see this. I was checking my computer. A little about me. I'm 48. I am actually doing this video for 2 of the classes, so hopefully it works this time, and you can reply if you do need any assistance. Like I said, I do work on the help desk, and you will be reaching us. Some things I like to do are, going for walks, relaxing, reading. I am a Stephen King fan. I have quite a few of his books, and currently right now, tonight's Wednesday, I got to catch up on Castle Rock, so I'll be catching up on that pretty soon. I am looking forward to graduating. Hopefully I should graduate in May along with my kids. So it'll be a very busy day that day. I will be graduating in the morning and then in the afternoon. So it's fun. It's looking forward to that. Looking forward to working with everyone here. Have a good evening. Thank you.